Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make Kraft mac and cheese. So first, you need to get this. Get a little pot. Fill that up with water. I swear there's no specific reason I'm making this video. It's just how to make Kraft mac and cheese. So, once you got that onto the stove, you go down here, turn on the burner, and just keep it on high until it boils. And before I forget, there's a fan. Maybe a light too. So once it is boiling, you grab Kraft mac and cheese box. So now, you just dump this whole thing into there. And then you set a timer for 7 minutes, right? Oops. Yeah, 7 minutes. And then start. And during this time, make sure you grab a spoon of some sort and just stir. And once it's not clumped up, you can go ahead and put a little bit of salt. I don't know if that was a little too much. And just keep stirring until that timer hits 0. So now, once you got the pot boiling, you turn off the stove first. I have this little clip-on thing that strains it. So this isn't made for these kind of pots, but it still strains. Okay. Then you can go ahead and take this off. Put that in the sink. And then this is where you put in some milk. Not too much and not a lot. And then also get some butter. And then you can go ahead and stir that until the butter is completely gone. And then once the butter is completely stirred, you can go ahead and take the powder and just pour that all in there. And then go ahead and stir that until you think it is perfectly stirred. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna say for that. I think it's kind of obvious. And then once that is done, go ahead and turn that off. Go ahead and grab yourself whatever bowl you would like. Put that down, and then go ahead and put this into the bowl. And so that is how you make mac and cheese. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, thank you, and goodbye.